Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will guide you through how to program ESP8266 board using WebREPL. Let's proceed as follows. Step 1. Physically connect ESP8266 board using a micro USB data cable. Step 2. With the command mode, let's check the port assigned to the connected ESP8266. Device ESP8266 is assigned COM81 as port. Step 3. Write flash ESP8266 board. It's assumed ESP tool is installed. You can refer to the previous videos if you need support about this. Let's first erase flash. Flash erased. Let's now write flash with any firmware. Flash is written. Step 4. Enable WebREPL. It's assumed MP remote is installed. You can refer to the previous videos if you need support about this. Let's set access point credentials. Let's now close the connection using Control closing square bracket. Let's now disconnect ESP8266 board and supply it with external power. Step 6. Let's now test the connection to the ESP8266 board. Let's first connect to the ESP Wi-Fi. It's already appearing here. Let's connect using the set password. Successful. Step 7. Set up web user interface. We now need the internet connection to download the GitHub repository. With this Wi-Fi, we are not connected to the internet. That's why we need to go back to this. Connected to the internet. Now that we are done with downloading the required repository, we can connect it back to the Wi-Fi of ESP8266. Let's open this file. We've set the password 1234 LKJH. It's a simple password, but later you can set a strong password as you want. This is for demonstration purposes. You're connected. So we can go ahead and blink the built-in LED on the device. Done. Import machine and time, and then set LED assigned machine pin to built-in LED. Machine pin mode out. Or let's just make it loop. Besides using the terminal interface, we can also use this form to upload a file. Or if we know the name of the file, we can download it. That's all for now. Until next time, bye.